Hi, today I'm going to be doing a night routine. I've already started the vlog, so I hope how I'm going to edit it is going to rhyme what I'm doing around. I just finished putting on this toner. I'm now going to put on a face mask because I'm doing a vlog. Okay, doing a face mask. Let's open it up. I don't want to act local. Let me do cute skill. I feel so dry. My lips are so dry. Everything feels so dry. I don't like it. I like the only one that does not like using face masks. I don't know. I think just like it. And I don't see what this thing is to do in my life. It's just for like aesthetic purposes. That's why I feel I'm supposed to use it. You don't have any kind of benefits. The thing on the packaging is lying. It's lying to us all. Hey, Olorun, what is going on? It's not my first time using a face mask, by the way. I am just very confused because, you know, these things, they don't make sense. All right, got it. Juice. Should I like talk to you? Hi, how are you? How's life going with you? Life is doing pretty good. I don't know if I should do this. Like, should I be talking like this or like, should I find something in my life to do? I think people look weird with face masks. Now I'm going to be looking weird. Who cares? Maybe you do. Oh my god. Okay. So you guys should give me like video ideas in the comment section because at this point I don't know what to film. I don't know what you want to watch. You get, like, just tell me, oh, film like a day in my life, or like film a prank and tell me which type of prank to do, because I want to do a prank but I don't have who to prank. I cannot prank my father. No. And yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll prank my mommy or something. If the video idea is smart enough, then I will. So give me something, okay? I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So, what else on my bed? My nose is wet. My Bible is wet. My other nose is wet too. Yeah. Well. So that's all for my night. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video because I did. Even though I'm very, very tired, and yeah. So please, this took me a lot of energy and a lot of time. So I really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe and share the video. Share the video if you love Jesus, and don't share the video if you love Satan. Remember that God is watching you. So yes, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.